Hello students of class 9. Today I am going to discuss about different methods for solving linear pair equation. Okay. In this chapter today we will discuss about algebraic method for solving a pair of linear equations. Okay. So friends, in the previous section we discussed how to solve a pair of linear equation graphically. Okay. So the graphical method is not convenient in cases when the point representing the solution of the linear equation has non-integral coordinates like under root 3, 2 under root 7, uh, minus 1.75, 3.3, 4 upon 13, comma 1 upon 19 and etc. So there is every possibility of making mistake while reading such coordinates. Okay. So is there any alternative method for finding the solution? There are several algebraic methods which we shall now discuss. Number first, algebraic method for solving a pair of linear equations. Number first, method number first, substitution method. Substitution method. Okay. This friends, we shall explain the method of substitution by taking some example. So everyone look at the example. Solve the following pair of equation by substitution method. By substitution method. Okay friends, this is the equation 7x minus 15y is equal to 2 and x plus 2y is equal to 3. Here is a pair of linear equation, equation number first and this is the equation number second. तो इसमें आज हम लोग डिस्कस करेंगे ऐसे विभिन्न अलजेब्रिक मेथड्स के बारे में जिनके द्वारा हम किसी भी पेयर ऑफ लीनियर इक्वेशन को सिंप्लीफाई कर सकते हैं। तो इनमें से सबसे पहला मेथड सब्स्टिट्यूशन मेथड। ओके, तो फ्रेंड्स आज हम लोग सीखेंगे इस मेथड में कैसे हम किसी भी पेयर ऑफ लीनियर इक्वेशन को सिंप्लीफाई कर सकते हैं और किस तरह से इस मेथड में टर्म्स को ट्रांसपोज किया जाता है। ओके, so everyone now look at the solution. Friends, in this method first we pick either of the equation and write one variable in terms of the other. So let us consider the equation number first, that is 7x minus 15y is equal to 2. Or equation number second, that is x plus 2y is equal to 3. But we choose equation number 2 for substitute the value of variable x or y, any one of them. So let us see step number first. From equation number second we have x is equal to 3 minus 2y. Okay, on transposing 2y to the right side of the equation. Okay, this means while transposing the terms 2y to the right side of the equation we have x is equal to 3 minus 2y. Okay, now step number 2. On putting फ्रेंड्स स्टेप नंबर सेकंड में हम x की वैल्यू जो हमने इक्वेशन नंबर सेकंड से प्राप्त किया है उसे हम इक्वेशन नंबर फर्स्ट में x के प्लेस पर रिप्लेस कर देते हैं और इस प्रकार से हमें ये कैलकुलेशन प्राप्त होता है। So now on calculating the value of this equation we have 7 into 3 that is equal to 21 minus 7 into 2y that is equal to 14y and minus 15y is equal to 2. Finally we get 21 minus 29y is equal to 2. Okay, so now look here.